Hi, I'm Claudio. Welcome to my tutorial where I'll explain how we use the Claudio platform in order to filter for any inbound emails containing invoice information. We'll need a flow that scans the emails on our account and then selects only the ones with a particular keyword. Let's get started. This section contains all of the custom flows we previously designed. You could start building a new one by copying one of these existing flows, but in this case, I'd rather show you how to create a brand new workflow. First off, let's give it a name. Then choose the trigger. That is the action that prompts the flow. In this case, I'll use a webhook, so as to start the flow whenever an email is received. The default settings are fine. We can leave them as they are. Great! Let's click Save straight away. This section is named Workflow, and it is the place where we'll find all the tools we need to create a flow. Let's take a look at the interface. On the left side panel, we display all the various applications and software services. Right below that, you will find the application's basic functionalities. We'll use some of these during this video. In the center, the flow editor. Next to the trigger, we'll insert the apps and functionalities we need to design the entire flow. Great! Our introduction is over. Now let's see how to gather and then filter incoming emails. First off, we will want to use our Gmail service in order to review all of our unread emails. One way to find this service is by using the Search Apps function. After locating this service, we will want to drag the List Unread Emails action onto the flow editor. This will allow the flow to download the complete list of unread emails. There's no need for further configuration, just proceed to the next node straight away. To have an efficient flow, we need to repeat the actions we set for each incoming email. Hence, we need to look for the iterator node. Otherwise, the action will work only on the last item of the list. After that, we can proceed to the setup, specifying the list of emails it has to work on. To download and use the information stored in every email, we will need a particular Gmail node called the email content. Make sure you put it inside the iterator node. And change the value of the email's row to insert value. That will allow us to insert the email ID automatic value we're going to take from the previous nodes section. Now would be a good time to save. Awesome! Now our flow is downloading the list of emails and the content for each of them. But in order to select only the emails that contain a specific topic that interests us, we'll have to filter them using a condition node. This is sort of a crossroads where the flow takes one route or the other, depending on the content of the item, or the email in our case. In the conditional rules, we'll need to indicate that subject must contain the word invoice. But we won't only need the subject. The word we're looking for may appear in the body instead. Let's set up a second rule through the option OR to widen the filter range. It'll be the body of the email to contain the word invoice in this case. Amazing! We now have a flow that can read both the subject and the body of the email and filter them according to the conditions that we have set. However, we're all really busy. We know that. We'll need Claudio to notify us when this happens. We don't want to lose any important emails now, do we? The Gmail send email function is perfect for our needs. Here, we have to specify who will receive the email, the subject, and a brief message as well. It'll help us to understand why we're receiving this email. Stunning! The flow is ready. Don't forget to click Save on the upper menu and then select Publish to make the flow accessible. Let's give it a ride. I'll send a test email in the background. Now, all I have to do is to click on Run and check my email account to see if I received the notification. Well done, guys! Now it's your turn. Try creating your own flow on our Claudio platform. The support team and I will be there to help you.